In this video, I'm going to show you how to set stop loss and take profit on Aster DEX. Now first you need to go to Aster's official website. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, as I said, link down below. So to set stop loss and take profits, it's actually very simple. Click on the perpetual tab over here, select whatever you want to trade. So for example, I'm going to do Bitcoin. And over here, you can basically select the type of order you want to do, either market, limit, stop limit, or any other ones available. And then down here, below the price and below the size, you can see it's going to say TP/SL. And this is basically the take profit and the stop loss. And you can change it from last or mark. And you can also do, like, if you want the PNL, ROI, or price in USDT. Or of course, in BTC or whatever crypto you are actually doing, okay? So that's pretty much how to set stop loss and take profit, put it in here, and then you can go ahead and buy or sell. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.